Well, good afternoon, everybody. Hello, Internet and beyond. Well, let's see. Yeah, yesterday's video. Maybe it was the day before. Yesterday. I don't know. Of course, I don't edit these things. I don't know how. It just kind of, I just like started rambling. Something about the chain. I did look at it. But today, let's see. Oh, the floorboards came. I mean, for there was $20. A little, well, maybe $22. But anyway, I think I got some rubbers over there. Some things that go on top I've had for years. Still in the plastic. I did cut that down and drilled it out using the chuck, and thank goodness, I tell you, a drill press is like, having arms like 4 wrestlers. I mean, there's just so much power. You got to be careful, but meaning you don't want to get the bit hot. But I tell you, it's so much. For years I just been putting it, standing on it on the ground, trying to drill with my drill, and so lucky I pieced things together. Got the drill press free years ago. I think I cleaned out a garage for a lady. She goes, get rid of it all, except the car. I think it was an AMC Matador. I may have talked about this earlier. Yeah, she thought it would see if it starts. I said, how long has it been sitting in here? Oh no, about 20 years or something. I said, nah, it ain't going to start. She says, everybody in my family wants it. I said, well, tell you what, get the highest bidder, because the first winner, that AMC Matador, is going to fall apart. It'll be a pile of rust. Well, like I say, I'm going to have to, I got to weld that back on, and they bolted it there, but I'm going to put a little spacer. I might put 2 in there to give it a little bit more height where it's supposed to sit. So like I say, I cut out about probably 1.5 inches of this because I had one of those. Oh, I did get around. I went ahead and shot the left side. No, that's the right side. There was some, I'm not looking for perfection, and you won't get it from me, especially with paint, but I just thought I'd give it a light coat, and I did get some decals coming, and then I'll go to the paint store and see how. I want to make sure that paint compatible, because I've had paint alligator, the clear stuff. But anyway, and then I got so I can get to these. That's, and then this side. Yeah, this, I welded that up there, and I got the pieces to piece back. This has got kind of a hump, so I'll grind that a little bit more. And I straightened it out. It was kind of bent. That worked pretty good. So this has got a floorboard, and the other side's got a floorboard. What did I do? Oh, with the chain, I just went ahead. Well, maybe I mentioned it yesterday, or it was in the cutoff video. I don't remember. I took the best of 2 chains I had. This is they're both diamond chain. So, and they're just regular style chain, not O-ring. For right now, this will be fine. If I go wild and go across country, well, I do want to get one of those case savers that goes around the back where the starter is. Everybody says that, and I remember those things. Usually you only need that if you let your chain get sloppy, or you use the O-ring chain, which is actually physically bigger. I found these, so I got those for the turn signals. I thought I had 2 of these to go on that, but I guess I don't. So I got to hunt for another one of these. That clamps it onto the bar. And Kay made my favorite cookies. Mom's recipe. They're sugar cookies. Mom used to make them. My mom made them a lot larger, but it's just they taste just as good, maybe even better. Just kidding, Mom. So a little something to nibble on. Let's see. Yeah, like I say, I gotta weld up that other side yet. And I was thinking of putting, if I can do it and make it look good, putting holes along here. I've seen that done. So if I can do it and they're not all over the place, because this is not a perfect cover. So that's what we're working on today. Oh, I did find an old thingy I had on the back. So I went ahead and mounted that up. Stuck that back on until I get an 80 like I got for the back, but they want so much for them, so it doesn't work. The light, I didn't wire it or nothing. Let's see. Oh, I did put a grommet in here. So, and I turned this more conducive to kind of a straight shot. So, well, that's about it, I think, there. Well, a little shorter. Yesterday was short too because somehow I didn't record everything, but that's how it goes. Still waiting on the rotor for the tire. Then I can stick it back on. I do have a set of bags, but no rush there because I got a bike that's got bags on it. So I guess I'll catch you guys later, and have a great day. See you later, everybody. Bye-bye. Hey, Ed. Cool bike. Yeah, that was one of those things when Harley started changing, the headlight design kind of thing. And then the shark nose came about, and some people like them, some people don't. It's just like anything. Either you kind of roll with the change, or you stick with the old times. Either way. So I'll catch you guys later. Bye-bye.